Hey guys, this is Tech Wizard and welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna make a reverse text command which will reverse the text inputted by the user. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm creating a new file in the fun directory named as reverse.js, and in that we're gonna do module.exports for our command handler. We see the name of the command, which is gonna be reverse. Next thing, the description, which would be reverses a given text or whatever you're gonna put in there. I would just put reverses the given text, and then the run function. So we'll async the run function, client, message, and args, and then the function will start, and then in that we'll say const text equal to args.join. So we'll simply take all the arguments given by the user as the string to be reversed, and then we're gonna convert it into an array. So for that we'll say, but before that we're gonna say if no text is defined, we're gonna return and we'll say please specify something to reverse, or a message that will let the author know that they need to input some arguments before using this command. So we'll say please give something to reverse, and then we're gonna split all of these letters one by one into an array. So for that you'll use the split function, and so we're gonna say our array equal to text dot split, and we won't specify any argument because you just want to split the letters one by one. So we'll say our array equal to text dot split, and the next thing would be to do to reverse this array. So for that we'll say reversed equal to our array dot reverse. So we'll use the dot reverse function for arrays in javascript, which will reverse all the elements. In this case it would reverse all the letters which are splitted from the inputted arguments, and then from this reversed array we're gonna extract the words. So for that we're gonna define a new variable result. uh, Before that we're gonna use the let statement also. So I didn't define the variables, so we're gonna go up and say let add let to all of the lines. Okay, so now we're gonna say let result equal to reversed array dot join, and this is how this command will work. Okay, and then we're gonna simply message dot channel dot send the result. And let's test this out now. So let's see if it works or not. So we're going to command prompt, do no dot. It has been loaded with no errors. We go into Discord, and okay, so I'll say reverse text. Okay, we don't have any errors and it didn't display the output. Okay, now it did. This was because of my bad Wi-Fi, I guess. So the output is exactly the same as we expected. So for test, it would have been TSET in the reverse order, and it's that only. So we know that this command works. And so let's try it again with hello world, and so now the result should be DLROW and then OLLEH, and that's what it is. So we know that command works and all the letters have been reversed. And so now if I didn't display any and didn't input any arguments, it said please give something to reverse. And that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free and you can always unsubscribe later on. And I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching.